Variables.
They have a name.
And variables.
Have values that can change.
Variables.
A part of coding foundation.
'Cause variables.
Store important information. So, just like this box can hold this ring, a variable is something that can hold another thing, like a name or a date or a high score or a place, your favorite food, and so much more. You might be confused. Have no fear. We can try a little example here. Say this bucket's a variable. We'll give it a name. Whatever's in this bucket we'll call bucket thing. Bucket thing.
Is a frog.
Bucket thing.
Is a bear.
Bucket thing.
Is a pizza.
Bucket thing.
Is underwear.
Now, variables can have a type. Are you listening? They can have a type, and here's the main three. The variable types when you're talking to machines are strings, numbers, and Booleans. A string is not a number. It's actually made of letters, like your name or the words, "I really like sweaters." A string is text, characters and letters. Just like the sentence, "A bird has feathers." Here's a string variable about what day it is. We will name this variable Day of the Week. Day of the week
is Monday.
Day of the week
is Tuesday.
Day of the week
is Wednesday.
Day of the week
is Thursday. Variables.
They have a name.
And variables.
Have values that can change.
Variables.
A part of coding foundation.
'Cause variables.
Store important information. So string variables, what are they good for? When there are words and text to store. What if you have numbers like numbers and math? A number variable is up to the task. Numbers are numbers and nothing more. No letters or pictures, just a number like a score. Numbers are numbers and nothing more. No letters or pictures, just a number like a score. Here's a number variable to remember the score. We will name this variable my point score. My point score
is 2.
My point score
is 4.
My point score
is 8.
My point score
is 1,000,000.
So, number variables, what are they good for? When there are numbers and numbers to store, but there's a simpler one. It can be one of two things called a Boolean variable. It's not a number or a string. Boolean. There's a funny name. It just means true or false, no in-betweens. Boolean. It can only be two things, either true or false, no in-betweens. Here's a Boolean variable to check if you're asleep. We will name this variable, are you asleep? Are you asleep is true. Are you asleep
is false.
Are you asleep is true. Are you asleep
is false. Variables.
They have a name.
And variables.
Have values that can change.
Variables.
A part of coding foundation.
'Cause variables.
Store important information.
So if I name my backpack Mr. Blue and fill it with stinky socks, I could say that Mr. Blue is a variable that is now equal to stinky socks?
That's gross, but correct.
What are we learning next?
Loops.